Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I'm sharing my guest bathroom makeover reveal. But before we get started, I want to share a few before and after pictures, and then I'll decorate the space. I also want to share some of my tips on decorating on a budget. I hope you enjoy. Okay, guys, so the bathroom is painted and the fixtures are in place. And so now it's time to decorate. So a quick look back at the bedroom. I didn't make any changes. The only change I made was over the bed, and I added a little candle holder just to bring the gold back on this side of the room. And so another thing that I did was to just remove one of the pillows on the bed. I really loved seeing the blue in the space, and I thought two pillows was covering up the blue ones too much. And so I just removed it, and I just really love that light and airy, fresh look of the blue. And like I said before, the pillows are from Angelic Interior Designs, and you can find her pillows on her Etsy shop. I'll have it linked below. And so I know I told you guys that I might have the mirror ready to put in place by the time I did the bathroom video, but I decided not to put the mirror up right now. I'm really enjoying the way the picture looks, so for now, this is what we have. Okay guys, are you ready to see how the bathroom turned out? And these are regular window curtains at 96 inches. All right, guys, so I put these two spaces together on a budget, and I wanted to share with you a little bit how I went about getting this space together on a budget. So if you saw my bedroom video, you know I did a lot of painting of furniture to get the room transformed to what it is today. And then in this bathroom, I painted the walls. Previously, the walls were brown, and they have been brown for several years now, but I wanted to lighten and brighten the bath, of course, for spring, and so I have been wanting to paint this room in the Revere Pewter, which is the same color throughout my house. It just took me a while to get there, but we are here, and I am so happy that I did. So once I painted the walls, I painted the cabinet to match the furniture in the bedroom. And I have been getting a lot of questions about the paint in the bedroom on the previous video, and I used a latex primer and paint on all of the furniture, including this vanity cabinet. And so guys, this is the spray paint and the polyurethane that I used on everything. Now, painting your walls and your furniture is a very good way to go if you're trying to decorate on a budget. I also painted some of my accessories as well as getting them from places like Goodwill. Now this pedestal bowl here, you guys might remember I shared in a Goodwill haul, and I just spray painted it just a little brighter gold than it originally was, just to make it pop a little more. And then this painting I did myself. I mentioned in one of my latest videos that you should try going to thrift stores or garage sales and find different size canvases and then just paint your own art. Abstract art is so popular right now. It's no reason why you shouldn't just try your hand at it, because it's pretty easy. This was another Goodwill find. It was in an oil rub bronze, but I did paint it, and that was the Rust-Oleum, I think the Krylon paint. I'll show you a picture on the screen. And that was my go-to paint for this bathroom makeover. I used it on the knobs, and they look really good. The ones that I wanted, they were all sold out, so I just bought these. They were very inexpensive. I think they were $2.96 a piece, and they were in silver, and I just spray painted them gold with that same Krylon paint. And I also painted this small table, and this, you might recall, it was in my downstairs powder room on the first floor. Of course, you may have seen in the previous clip that the light fixture was oil rub bronze as well, and I painted it with the same paint. I also painted the shower curtain rod with the same gold paint. Now, a lot of times people ask me, why do I have curtains and a shower door? Well, if you've seen some of my latest videos, I have mentioned that I am not a fan of shower doors. So I like to just put up a curtain to soften the look. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love taking a shower with a spa smelling candle as well as spa smelling soap. And I do have a few favorites that I like from Target, and I'll share those with you on the screen in a minute. But yes, I do love that spa fragrance in a bathroom. Now, this is one of my favorite spa smelling candles, and it is tea tree spearmint, and I get these from Target. And they do have many other fragrances, and they all are spa-like fragrances. This is the candle that I shared in my recent haul. I didn't have the batteries for it at the time, and so this is what it looks like with the battery in it. And this is something that you could use if you don't want to light real candles. It's not fragrant, but it does give you that nice ambiance as well. Now, what I thought was neat about this setup here on the back of the tank is They can have their everyday towels in a little caddy, and or they can place them here on the towel rack. Or you can do something like this and place your soap inside of the container with your towels, and especially if the soap has a nice spa fragrance, and then it will just help to fragrant the towels. And then you can put your soap and lotion dispenser together. So guys, whether you use paint on your walls, your furniture, or your accessories, paint is definitely a good way to make over a space on a budget. So shop at places like Goodwill, garage sales, consignment shops. Of course, Home Goods has really good accessories at a good price. I shopped Ross for this beautiful picture, and then most of the other accessories came from Home Goods. So this space did not take a lot of money to put the room together, but you just have to be creative, know where to shop, and just keep it simple and not too many things. Even though I'm sure for some people this will be a lot, but I love it. So I hope you guys do as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you at my next video. Bye-bye. And if you would like to see the bedroom makeover, as well as the store tour and shopping haul, I'll leave those videos linked below as well.